Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Okay, Trust Progress, the analyst. I am here for you to give you all the update back to back. The purpose why you have me is for me to update you, and that is what I am doing. So please do well to share our videos, like and subscribe. Without not wasting much of your time, let me leave you to listen to this update, and I'll be right back.
That's my name. Now see what I write there, my people. I go use my darling to sing. Let's start. No secret where e not dey open. Even though you do one for dark, you do one for secret way. Anywhere you do one, you got one day it must surely open. Those people where I write their name there, I want to sing for them first. Before I will talk with them. Not be long video like that, a short video. Because enemy of Biafra, no need for me to they bring the come out, they call their name, come out, do. Now make we fight them spiritual way. Now spirit, we go they fight them now. Those enemy, where they pretend say they want make Biafra come. The day inside us, na secret way, I not go they bring them out. I don't face them, physical and spiritual. That is why I come at my people, my Biafra people. I want to sing for them, for my darling. Oh, bueno, yihera. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Oh, bueno, yihera. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Bueno, yikelera. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Barista Ojofo gbelo emorife. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Bueno, yikelera. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Bueno, yikelera. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Umadubo gbere morife. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Oh, bueno, yikelera. Eregerege. Wela tona mani je. Eregerege. Oh, bueno, yikelera. Eregerege. Where atona manige. Eregerege. When you hear Eregerege. Umagubo bere morive o. Eregerege. Barista Ujofo bere morive. Eregerege. Where atona manige. Eregerege. My people, no secret where they hide. Now be the song sing where I just sing so. Where the leakage not go come out. You know, ever since then, I don't want come out. But work they go underground. Barrister Joshua. Barrister Joshua. Waiting you with Magubo Magubo na Igbo people na go know wetin that name. My right hand them na understand the person where I dey talk about. With Barrister Ojofo. When they announce they want bring, they go free now the canon. Barrister Ojofo, you with this other name where me write so. Una go where they put in the canon. Una go there. Where till una go bury there? Barrister Ojofo with Umagubu. The two names when I put for there. Where till una go bury for where in the canon day. Not be the DSS when he holding the canon, not when he did there. Not be them bury this thing. Wait till you go do there, Barrister Ojofo. You just said in the canon to die. You just said in the canon to die. See you here. See huh? See Barrister Ojofo. See the plan. See her. See her here. See her. See her. Barrister Ojofo. Friend. Lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu. Because of money. You use Connie. Conk. Our Onyedu. You think say when you use this Connie, two of una when I write a name there, everything will end. Una de fear now. If they release Nnamdi Kanu, we are on a one day. We are on a one stay. When they are now said they go free him. The British government were your people. They come out. For me, they talk rubbish. You, with this Magodubu, una come out. Go bury, lock up. But I want to tell you now, Barrister Ojofo, everything when you think say you do, everything when you think say you do for the place when Nnamdi Kanu day, God Almighty with the angel and our ancestors, they root it out. Barrister Ojofo, Nnamdi Kanu no go die. The gods of our land, they say make I tell you all of una when he get the hand, say he no go die. The photocopy one I want, I bring come out. When he make una an answer like that, the gods of our land and God Almighty They talk am say onye do e no go down and no go fit kill am. Una don try many things. See am here. Many things. Una don try many things. Many things. Many things, Barrister Joffo. See the way you take start. See the way that they put in the kind of matter for your hand. Una many for Biafra land. With some of Fulani. Ohanezi Odoshi. With some traditional ruler. Una end. It remains small. If you not get her for mind, say, onye do go die. Na lie. Na lie. Not be onye do be this. Na lie. If you not get her for mind, say, he go die. Na lie. Our onye do not go die. All the politicians when he dey Nigeria, those when he be politician, una want to make it die. Una want all of una mind make una kill am, but in a bow when they tie for dog neck. Big one, big bow. See the spirit when he guide them, when he fight. When they fight. When they fight, see them. Mother of the earth. The Kano will not die. The Kano will not die. Now, see glory, see happiness. The zoo will fall. Make you see the way when the zoo they sink. Not be zoo be this where they look. Nigeria. Not be him be this. It don't fall. Not be Nigeria be this one. When it don't fall. When all the whole children they cry. All the whole citizen. Then they cry. Oh. The government of Nigeria. The government of Nigeria, you say the demonic witch where you get, you go fit restore Nigeria. Oh no. See ya. You not go fit restore Nigeria. Oh no. No. Not restore. No. Nigeria is going down. 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 I see the falling of Nigeria. Look at the falling of Nigeria. Not being be this. See ya. See the falling. See the darkness when Nigeria they fall go. See ya. You see the folly? This is the folly of Nigeria. Photocopy when they put the Nigeria, it don't go. The zoo, it don't fall. The zoo don't fall. In the Kano, when una feel, say una hola, everything don't day over. Voila. Now you go even make una sink more and more. See am. E go even make una sink more and more. No matter the people when una put to bring the freedom of Biafra down. Those when it is strong for the Biafra to bring them down. Those when it want really do it, to name them. The people when una put. I see the folly. I see the folly. Not being with this. Not be Nigeria. Not be there for also. See ya. Let me check Biafra. Let me check Biafra. See light. Oh my God. Oh, the gods of our land. See light. See jubilating. See freedom. See ya. The zoo. They cover am. See the cover where they want cover am. But the gods of the land, it don't fall there. The gods of the land, it don't fall there. Look at the darkness when they take over Biafra. The gods of our land, it don't fall there. God Almighty, don't fall there. May the gods be praised. The zoo government, any army, una carry, go to the land of Biafra. Let me check. Woto is the code. See them. See how they fall. Make una prepare many. Make una recruit. Make una bring where una go buy them. Bring them come. Mona put alamajeri for the army. Bring come for Biafra land. I see they don't become manure. See them. See them. See them. See them. See them. May the gods of our land be praised. May this spiritual army be praised. I see the falling. I see the falling. You, when they follow Balabru, now you, they do everything with Balabru. Balabru, because any day when you go focus on Biafra, now that day, this photocopy go die. That is the word of the gods of our land. That is the word. Now that day, the day where Tulubu go measure Biafra name anyhow. Now that day, this Tulubu where they put to resembler when they put. See the way where they do. Now so they want make they do in the Kano. When the gods of the land they say no way, they will reveal her. See the darkness where they want use cover land rising sun. See how the rising sun be. Cause see, oh, Mona see the way when the rising sun be. Mona see there. Mona see the land of Biafra. Enjoyment. Peace. Peace. No person, nobody will suffer. Look at it. These demonic people, when they come from Saudi Arabia, different country, come for Biafra land, Osman dan follow. They just come to cover this great nation. All the whole nation that's going to perish. See them for all. All the old nation. Look at them. That's going to perish. The new nation is coming. Who is the new nation? Biafra. Biafra people, make una rejoice. Because wait till they come. Wait till they come. Despite that blood will share. Many people will die. But after that, the good nation will come out. Where be say people no go suffer again. No pace. Nothing. No pace. No pace, no cheating. No, na me big pass. No, na me be Oba. No, na me be king. Na me be king for Igbo land. Na me be Ohaneze Digbo. Not that kind of life again. You know, only the one thing, the people, when they think about, and they go break their whisk. Those when they inside people, when they fight for Biafra, those when they go break their wing. They go break them. The mother of the earth, they go break their wings. Umada spirit. They go break them. That is the word. That is the word of the spirit of the daughters of the land. Of the daughters of the land. Barrister, Ifeanyi, listen. That's it when you go bury. Now your life and your household, then you bury. That is the word of the gods of our land. Oh yes, so shall it be. The secret what you do when you take betray na the canoe, they say na run that they kill snake. The gods of the land, they say na run they go kill you. Ifeanyi, Barrister Ifeanyi Jofo and Magodu Gubu, that name when I put for there. I not be Igbo, I not pronounce that name well. They say na run where they kill snake put. Now the spirit go kill una put. All those things gonna do. Both those when they raise Biafra flag, say that they fight for Biafra. But they not they fight. That is the word of the spirit. It's not my word. I be messenger of the spirit of the land and God Almighty. I don't get power of my own. I don't get power. But those when he send me message, they with me. No matter the kingdom. No matter the kingdom where you put my name. No matter any native daughter. No matter anywhere. Both spiritual and physical. Those when he send me message. Those when he send me, they by me. 24 hours of the day. Una don't plan. Say many things. Then remove it. It's not my power. Because I don't even get power. I don't feel hot heart. But those when he send me, when I reject, they say, come. Now you will do the day with me. By my side. You, king, president, governor, any society wanna belong, anywhere wanna put my name, with God Almighty and our ancestors, we will succeed. So shall it be. He say. Biafra people, message to those when they fight well. This time around, the government of Nigeria, Fulani, with Ohaneze Dingbo, with those sellouts, they don't bet with those when they fight. Where? They say, make una get up. Make una no feel say, na court, they go take releasing at the canon. Not be caught. Now, when the spiritual army come out, what follow up, they go release. Now, they go even pet. Call una, make una see in at the canon. If not be so, it go hard. Because the gods of the land don't carve a way for their own. Now, when it dey physical, go use una own. That they do their own. Those when they fight for freedom of Biafra. That is the message for the gods of our land. My Biafra people, this time around, we need to stand. We need to stand. We need to send messages to where it's supposed to go. Messages. To send messages. This time around, not be the time when we go eat, we sit down. They say cut today because all the whole lawyer, what did they call them? Liar. Now they be. All of them don't chop money. They go give una fake news. They go give this one fake news. Then they give una fake news. Then they go give una the cano fake news. That is the word. I will not be so. Yeah, that is the word of the gods of our land. A pute. Biafra people, the time don't reach. Make a woman hold breast they run. That is the word of the gods of our land. The time don't reach. Make woman, you not gonna know the time when it back 6 children, they run. The time don't reach. Make the children hide. Make the spirit come out to face the Janjaweed for our land. To face the governor for Biafra land. To face Odohaneze Dimbo for Biafra land. To face those enemies of Biafra. This is the time. This is the time. Oh, yes. The canon no go die. They no fit. They try poison, try many things. Try waiting, they go fit. They no go fit kill her. Because power when it dey within the canon, it big past power when it did this earth. My people, my Biafra people, waiting we they wait for. Waiting we they do. Waiting we they wait for now. Waiting with the wait for. The zoo, the gods of the land said the zoo no get power, but the army. They go take them, become manure. When the Biafra's flag raise, we go use them plant for our children. How many times the gods of the land go repeat it? Freedom fighter. How many times? How many times? So una no wait, una want wait. Because of the gods of the land say he no go die. Make it they really go shoot time. Make it die. Now that one at the wait. Freedom fighter. May we all stand to face this reality. Because the gods, God Almighty, they know waiting that they do Biafra people since. The way that they bring us down. They know. May we all take what belongs to us. That is the message of the gods of our land. If I Ejiofor, the barrister, they say make I repeat that for you again. Now wrong. All of you now when it's selling out the canoe, catch her. Now wrong whether they kiss snake put. Now in the gods of the land will kill you now. That is the message for the gods of our land. To Madugubo and all the people, both those when it dey inside us, where we dey fight. Now the message to them be that. The wrong whether the big snake put, that the gods of the land will be to them. That is the word of the gods of our land. My people, una bye for now. Now the message be that.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.